What's up, everybody? Wednesday, about 11 o'clock, 11:23. Little fog rolling in. We're out here riding around. We're gonna check a few spots. Maybe make a dive, see if we can shoot anything. Brought a little good luck, just in case. So, you know, stay tuned. Hopefully get them up. All right, we're marking a few fish. We're gonna take a dip in and see what we can get. Wish me luck. All right, we just got done diving the first spot. I think I saw one grouper, looked a little undersized, so I passed it up. But we did find one sheephead. Nice sheephead in there. So we're gonna move, go check another spot, see if we can find some of this grouper. And or anything really. We'll shoot anything that eats, baby. Coming in, we got two sheephead, saw a bunch of fish, passed up on a few of them, but other than that, it was a good day diving, trying out a lot of new gear, new knives, and masks, and different stuff, trying out, testing out the gun, new bands, new reel, line, all that good stuff. So just getting wet, man, that's half the battle. You know, we've had some bad weather. Now we're just gonna get in here and clean the fish up, man. Get the grease high. I didn't get a lot of underwater film because I was trying out a new mask and I didn't like the way it was moving around and feeling, so I ended up taking it off. Didn't have time to put on the rifle mount back on the gun, so I didn't get a whole lot of underwater film. That's all right. We're going to dress these out and then take them back home. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. We got a couple sheephead. Two good sized sheephead here. What we're gonna do is just clean these babies up. All right.
When I think about you, I think about love.